Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.8-liter V8 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.7, clock, in radio display, cruise control, daytime running lights and dust sensing headlights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.